In this center today, we will be learning about the continents and the oceans. Go ahead, write your name at the top of this paper and today's date. And get out your dark blue colored pencil so that we can color Antarctica. Now, Antarctica is down here at the bottom of the world, so color this dark blue. All right, now that we have Antarctica colored blue, go ahead, check that off. And we are going to move on to Australia, which is purple. Australia is right here, so color this purple. So Australia is colored, and also New Zealand and part of Papua New Guinea. That's all part of the continent of Australia. So we're going to mark off Australia. We finished that. Now we're going to get out our orange and color Europe, which is right here. Now that we have Europe covered, we will do South America, which is green. So get out your green colored pencil. Now we're done with South America. Check that off. And we will move on to Africa, which is going to be black. And that's this area right here. And this Madagascar is also part of Africa. So color all of that. This is part of Asia though, so don't color this. When you have Africa colored in, go ahead and check that off. And then we're going to color Asia red, which is all of this. Okay, that might take you a little bit. So color all of this area, not the oceans, red. All right, now that Asia is colored, we can check that off. And we are going to move on to dark brown, which is North America. So get out your dark brown colored pencil, and we are going to color North America, which goes from all the way down here up to Alaska, all of this, and all these little islands here, and this big island, and this island, and these little islands. And these islands right here are part of Europe. I forgot that earlier. All right, that took a little while. Once you color in all of North America, go ahead and check it off. Now, we're going to start with the Arctic Ocean because it is the smallest ocean. So, the Arctic Ocean is light brown, and it is all of this up here. So go ahead and color up here light brown. All right, now that we have the Arctic Ocean colored light brown, I checked it off, and we will move on to the Indian Ocean, which is the second smallest. And you can see right here, the Indian Ocean is lime green. And the Indian Ocean is all of this right here. So from here to here and then up. That's the Indian Ocean. So color that light green. All right, that is what your lime green should look like. This is the Indian Ocean. And I'm going to write Indian Ocean on top of it so that I remember that this is the Indian Ocean. And likewise, up at the Arctic Ocean, I'm going to do the same because we still need to work on our oceans. So, the next part we're going to do is the Atlantic Ocean, which is light blue. And the Atlantic Ocean is everything from here all the way up here. Now, something to remember, this is actually not a bay, and these are huge seas, which the Atlantic Ocean does go through here. But usually these are not considered part of the Atlantic Ocean. All right, when you're done with coloring in the Atlantic Ocean, put a check mark by that. And we will lastly do the Pacific Ocean, which is everything left over here and over here. And we're going to color it pink. So use your pink to color all of this and all of this and this. All right, once you have the Pacific Ocean colored in, and remember that it's on both sides, please write Pacific Ocean and the names of the Atlantic Ocean and all the continents. Make sure that your name is on the paper and the date and that everything is colored correctly. Turn this in. I'll give it back to you and we will have a quiz on it soon.